Well, thank you very much indeed for joining us today. We really appreciate you taking the time to do that.
Terrific, it's my pleasure.
Isn't it fantastic here in San Antonio?
Been out to several good restaurants, walked on the Riverwalk. There are people everywhere.
And the sun's out for engineering.
Yes, it is.
So how important is this conference for ASEE members?
Oh, this is the conference during the year for all of us. It's very important. It's an opportunity to network. It's an opportunity to meet old friends. It's an opportunity to see new technologies. It's a great conference.
It's very important, isn't it, for people in engineering education to stay ahead of the curve when it comes to curricular developments and
things are changing rapidly. A lot more technologies being used in the classroom. There are blending teaching technologies. There's just a lot happening in engineering education.
Away from San Antonio, a lot happening in engineering education. How important is the public perception, the public policy position of engineering education at the moment?
I think it's terrifically important. I think it's very important that we present ourselves effectively to the Congress and to the federal government. I am concerned about federal support for engineering sort of across the board, and we need to get our best foot forward.
And everybody here has a role in that.
Absolutely, absolutely. I've been very much involved with the Public Policy Committee of the Engineering Dean's Council, and once a year as state groups we go and visit our congressional delegations, and it's really important to tell our congressmen what is happening in their district in terms of engineering education. And I think it's a role for every ASEE member to be involved in, to make sure their congressman knows the good things happening at their school and the good things happening for their students.
One of the burning questions this week is diversity. And we've been talking about the importance of getting young people into engineering. How important do you think it is that engineers reflect our population as a whole?
I think it's very important. If you look at the numbers, there are roughly 440,000 undergraduate engineering students enrolled in our universities today. 82.5% of those are men, 17.5% are women. We still do not do a great job in attracting women to the profession. If you look at minority numbers, I believe only about 6% of our engineering students are African American. If you look at our population and the way our population is changing, in order to have a viable, vital group of engineers and engineering talent in our country, we have got to reach out and attract more people into the profession.
Well, thank you ever so much indeed for joining us today. Really appreciate you taking the time.
My pleasure.
Thank you.